It's a really exciting camp, I think, for everyone, and we've got to look at it as a really positive camp that obviously we need to get through Bosnia first, and that's our main aim. Obviously target that one, and then whatever comes after, then we prepare for that. These countries come and they always make it difficult for you, and it's about executing our game plan more than looking into what they do. Of course, we'll be well briefed in terms of how they play and the press and things like that, and how they go about playing their football. I've said to you a few times of how much pride I get from playing for Wales, and the decision that I made a couple of years back, and it's one that I'll never look back on, because I'm just so proud of coming out and playing with what is a great group of people as well, in terms of what we've got in the team and coaching staff and everyone in the background. So I think we've got to be really proud of what we're doing so far, but there's still that goal of getting to the World Cup that we're all focused on, and we want to make that happen.